In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your footage from this into this. To follow along, you will need a video editor. I will be using DaVinci Resolve. And then you need two AI tools like Nano Banana 2 and Kling 3.0. Let's get started. Now we are in DaVinci Resolve, and the first thing we need to do is capture a still image from our footage. Move to the very first frame of your clip, then go to File, Export, Current frame as still. Choose where you want to save the image and click Export. Now let's bring that image into Nano Banana 2. To access the model, I will be using Artlist. Head over to the AI toolkit, select Image option, and choose Nano Banana 2 as your model. Then upload the still image we just exported from DaVinci Resolve. Next, enter your prompt, depending on the look you are going for. You can use any of the style prompts I've provided. I will leave them in the description so you can experiment with different 3 visual styles. For this, I'm going with dark cinematic look. Now make sure the aspect ratio matches your footage. Then choose your resolution and the number of images you'd like to generate. Since I enable unlimited mode, I can generate as many variations as I want without using credits. It runs in fast generation, making the entire workflow much faster. Click Generate, and there you go. I'm gonna go with this one and download the image. Next, switch over to the video option and select Kling 3.0 motion control as your model. Now upload your original video. Then upload the stylized image we just created with Nano Banana 2. This allows Kling AI to transfer the visual style from the generated image while preserving the motion and camera movement from the original video. So now we enter a prompt like this. For the settings, I will set the quality to Pro for the best results. Once everything ready, click Generate and let Kling AI create the final video. Your stylized video is ready. So download it and import back into DaVinci Resolve and place it directly above your original clip, making sure it's aligned perfectly on the timeline. Before creating the transition, I'm going to Color page. Select the AI generated clip, open the Curves panel, and I'm gonna bring the black point up just a little bit to add nice fade effect on the shadow area. Now head back to the Edit page. Trim your AI clip to the exact moment where you want the transformation to start. Next, zoom the timeline and use arrow key on your keyboard to move forward 1 frame at a time. Then cut, move forward, cut, and repeat that. I think it's enough. Then delete every other segment between the cuts. This gives you a flickering transition from the original footage to the AI clip. To make it look better, you can add invert color and place between here. You have just created a really cool transition that seamlessly transforms your original footage into the stylized AI video. By the way, if you want to experiment with more styles and generate without constantly checking your credit balance, Artlist now offers unlimited AI generations on select annual plans. Just enable the unlimited toggle in the AI toolkit as well as Studio and start creating with leading AI models without worrying about credits. You also get fast generation speeds and the ability to run multiple generations at the same time, making it much easier to test ideas and find the perfect result. So if you want to try, check out the link in the description and start creating with Artlist Unlimited.